1021 Trade Desk TTD reported quarterly results. They beat their earnings big time. That they did. They also gave revenue upside guidance. That they did. And to top it off with a 7-for-1 stock split coming. So if you own the shares and they have their stock split in that's coming there here, then you will own seven more shares than you originally owned. So it sold down hard with this NASDAQ 100, and I call it an unwind. There is that 100-day moving average, and it's coming that direction. And that's roughly right around, let's just call it 450 or so, round the number off. And once again, it ended down 174 points, printing down here. The low of the day was 480, the high was 567, that it was. And it closed on Friday at 661 after they had jacked it up off of that 22-year bad jobs report. So what will happen? We will see what happens with, and it had held up. But once again, it wasn't a bad report. Shareholders get seven more shares, 7-to-1 stock split. Couldn't ask for anything better. And they gave upside guidance, but it didn't matter. They've been unwounding this tech sector, and the selling isn't done, obviously. So there is going to be a rollover, and this one, I can understand it pulling back, but boy, you talk about the volatility, downside volatility. This is one. I've been doing it for 35 years, and I have seen some pretty crazy stuff during this earnings season we're in right now compared to all of last year and even in other years, believe me. And the only time I remember stuff like this happening was back in 1999. Yeah, when we were, in a bubble. But this stock is not in a bubble. It'll bounce. So the low was 480, and that means that we were down 26.37% for nothing. But that's what markets do to people. Take the free trial. Click on that link. You're going to need it because there's going to be a lot more coming. And you'll survive until all your money's gone, okay? Or you can turn it around and you can get in this live trading room and you can march forward with the great relationship that you can build here. And you can come out a winner here.